Hi, I'm Chef Tony Hedger from Local Culinary in St. Louis. Today we're going to be talking about adding a seasoning packet to a beef stew in a slow cooker. A lot of people like to use these things. I like to do my own seasoning. But if you have on occasion to buy these in your local supermarket, they're a very good product, as well as the ones that say beef stew, as well as the ones that have the onion soup mix. Okay, so one thing about these is that we know that we're going to thicken this soup up a little bit, and that's what this packet is actually designed to do. You may have to adjust it here and there by adding a little bit of flour or a little cornstarch. But if you look on the active ingredients of one of these little seasoning packets, the first and foremost ingredient is cornstarch. Okay, so how do we use that? We know if we do a regular cornstarch slurry that we have to tear the packet open and mix with cold water. If you don't use cold water, what will happen is that this seasoning mix will clump up. You'll have, I know if you're like me and you've added flour to a hot mixture, you can't get the clumps out of it. Same thing will happen here if you do it with warm or hot water. So one thing that is smell it. I can smell the Worcestershire. Okay, so we're going to make sure that that's nice and broke up, mixed. And then we're going to come over to the slow cooker. Now, what you'll want to do is you want to stir and drizzle. Stir and drizzle. Okay, you want to make sure that that seasoning mix, the liquid gets in all parts of this stew. Very good. It's kind of like the onion soup mix where it has a little bit of dehydrated garlic and onion that's in there as well as some dried herbs. And that's all there is to it. Take that seasoning packet. It's going to make your stew taste very, very good. Now, over a period of time, you may want to, once you get home from work, throw that thing on high, and it's going to thicken within an hour. Okay? So I'm Tony Hedger. This is how to thicken a beef stew with a seasoning packet. Thank you very much.